Hello and welcome back to another banger video with SPACETATUM Space Tatum. Stop playing, get back. You know what I'm saying? I'm living good. I'm living swell. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to maintain. Today is another coding video. Stop playing with me. So today's program, let's see what we got. I got it written down today. Write a C++ program to read an integer. If the number is greater than 0, then display its positive. Otherwise, display its negative. So today we are going to be using a little bit of, I wouldn't say advanced, it's just a step up from the last video. We are going to be using if, else, and if. And if you don't know what that is, it's just like it switches in between. If this, then do this. If not this, then it's that. Now let's go to the compiler. All right, welcome. We are here at the compiler. We already have our question already commented out. Write a C++ program to read an integer number. If the number is greater than 0, then display is positive. Otherwise, it is negative. So we already know that. We have that. So starting off this program, we can go ahead and delete the default hello world, and we can keep C out. So reading this program, first we can see we have, so we see that the program, we see that we have if. So we're gonna know that we're gonna be using the if statement or the if else statement. Well, we know we're gonna have to use the if else because it says otherwise. So that's else. So write a C++ program to read an integer. So we can go ahead and do that now. So enter a number. Or you could say enter an integer number. Yeah, semicolon. And then, so here's where we know that we have to have our variable because we have to have what the user is saying. So we can go ahead and create it right now. We can say it is num, short for number. So num, and let's go ahead and make sure you always put that semicolon. Let's go over here. Let's go ahead and start our variable box. So we have, we can use integer because we are using number. Int is num, semicolon, space it out, make it look good. But yes, integer num. So we have already done to read an integer number. C out num. Yes. So now we have that. Let's try to run it. Enter integer number 4. You see, so we have done enter an integer number. So we're good on that. Now, if the number is greater than 0, then display its positive. Otherwise, display its negative. So it's kind of in the question, honestly. So you're gonna come right here, under here. So after it asks that question, we want to stay inside of the main function, and you want to use your if statement. So let's read it with the question. If, and then you have your parentheses, and then if the number is greater than 0, so if num is greater than, and let's say greater than equals to 0, because you don't want to just say greater than, because greater than 0, everything's greater than 0 besides a negative number. So we know that. So we're going to do that in our statement. We're going to put an open bracket on it because it's starting a new statement, and C out, because what we're telling the user, we're displaying it. So when we're displaying it, let's go with the question again. It's greater than 0. Display is positive. Otherwise, display is negative. So if you're reading this, so we have right here, int main, we have our variables. We have enter a number. The user enters a number, any number they want. And now we're telling them if the number is less than equal to 0, C out, the number is positive, else the number is negative. So how we do that is we can do, remember last time I told you with the next line, it it allows it to space out. That's what we're doing again. And we can say number is positive. Right there. So number is positive, and we're gonna do it again. Num, which is the answer, and then end of a line. Well, end L. End L means end of a line. So yes, this is how we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna say close curly bracket, else, open curly bracket, and you're gonna see out. Next line, number is negative. Number is negative. Make sure they all correlate. Yeah, so this is good. Yeah. So right here, this is where we have statement to see if it is positive or negative. We have the variable. This is our variable int num, integer number, basically what it is. So yeah, we have our what we told the user. User's response. So yeah, enter integer number. Let's say 4. 4 is positive. Enter integer number. Let's do another positive. 8 is positive. All right, there you got it. And let's also try a negative. We have 5. 5 is negative, and we have 7. 7 is negative. I see you made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like, comment, and a share. Share the video with your friends, your homeboy, your mama, your grandmama, hey, anybody. I will have more coding and barber tutorial videos on the way. Thank y'all again for tuning in with a video with SPACETATUM. Space Tato! We out.